Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone thinking about backup power home batteries. With power outages happening more often, having a reliable home battery can give you peace of mind. First up, let's talk about the EG4 Power Pro with screen 14.4K indoor. This battery is a powerhouse when it comes to indoor backup systems. With a 14.4K capacity, it can keep your home powered for a significant amount of time, depending on your energy needs. One of the best features of this model is the built-in screen, which makes it easy to monitor your energy usage in real time. Whether you're powering essential appliances during an outage or managing your energy use daily, the screen gives you a quick view of what's going on. Next, we have the EG4 Outdoor No-Screen version. It's similar to the indoor model but designed for outdoor use. This battery has the same 14.4 kWh capacity but is built to withstand the elements. While it doesn't have a screen, it's still incredibly reliable. If you're setting up an outdoor power solution or need backup for outdoor structures, you can pair it with your solar panels to store energy for cloudy days or nighttime use. Now, let's talk about the Hysolis Apollo 5K. This battery is another excellent choice, especially for those who want a smaller, more compact option. With 5K of storage, it's perfect for powering essential appliances and keeping your home running during shorter outages. The Apollo 5K is known for its efficiency and long life, making it a great investment if you don't need massive power but still want something reliable. Moving on, the Ethos 10.5K is a strong middle ground option for homeowners who need more power than the Apollo 5K but don't want to go all the way up to the EG4 14.4K. With 10.5 kWh of energy storage, it can cover most of your home's essential systems. It's efficient and has a good lifespan, making it perfect for homes that experience frequent outages. Now, let's talk about the Anker Solix F3800. Anker is known for making quality products, and the Solix F3800 doesn't disappoint. With 3.8 kWh of storage, it's one of the smaller batteries on the list, but is perfect for those who need a compact, portable solution. It's great for powering small devices and appliances during short outages or for use in smaller homes or cabins. Finally, we've got the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 and the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. The Delta Pro 3 is a fantastic battery with 3.6 kWh of storage, but what makes it stand out is its ability to be expanded. You can add additional battery units to increase the total capacity, making it incredibly versatile. The Delta Pro Ultra takes things up a notch, offering even more storage and faster charging times. Both are great for people who want a backup system that can grow with their needs. So there you have it, the best home batteries available today. Whether you need something compact and portable like the Anker Solix F3800 or a high-capacity powerhouse like the EG4 Power Pro, there's a battery on this list that'll suit your needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for watching and stay powered up.